So magandang araw kabola. Sa video nito kabola, pag-uusapin natin Game 2 ng mga semifinal series kabola. And then of course pag-uusapin natin eto nga pong kagustuhan ni Calvin the Beast Abueva kabola na mapunta sa Barangay Nebra. And we will suggest a trade. Yes, we will suggest a trade. So kung hindi man nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. Let's start po muna. MPBL talks muna tayo kasi gusto ko lang po naman kabola bigyan po ng karampatan po na papuri itong Nueva Ecija, who is currently undefeated at 16 games kabola dito sa run nila sa MPBL. They are playing crisp basketball kabola, very good basketball kabola, diba? Good sets kabola, good chemistry. Alang coach Yeng Giao kasi yung coach nila na madaming player na nilalaro kabola, pero ang pinagkaiba isa sila, yung roster nila is nasa top 5 kabola na pinakamalakas dito sa liga wherein 30 teams lahat yan. So, just think about it, diba? Imagine mo Coach Yeng Giao na meron pong top 3 na lineup sa PBA. Ganon, kabola. So, ang ganda. Kabola. And of course, respect to them. Marcelino Brothers, kabola. And of course, nasa kanila na. Actually, yung galing sa Reno siya na si Demusis, who should be one of their final pieces for a potential championship run po dito, kabola. Now, Governor Delta Pineda of Converge, kabola. He is patient with the team. Sinabi niya ito in an interview na posted sa Fast Break or sa isang DR Abantes Radio Sports. Saan kami nagkulang, adjustment pa talaga. Hindi ko naman masisi kasi puro bata yung sa amin. Yung sa mga big names, nabibigla pa din minsan yung mga bata, but mature din yan. Yan naman mapupunta yan. Kaya hindi naman tayo habang buhay na bata. Natututo kami sa ganitong experience. So again, it's good that one of the main benefactor po of Converge is being patient with the team kasi kailangan talaga ng patient ng team kabola. Pero of course the expectation for this upcoming season will be higher kabola kasi meron silang around 2 tournaments yung core nila, meron na pong 2 tournaments playing together kabola, and we expect a much better coaching staff po kabola. Now, of course, ang talk of the town in the semis game 2 is yung 4-point shot ni Calvin Optana. Kasi nga po may nilabas si Spin.ph. It's very clear as day, kabola. Hindi siya nakaapak sa 4-point shot. Pero still, diba, tinawag na isa lang yung 3-point shot. Kabola, and alagulat doon, nireview naman nila eh. Hindi naman, kumbaga, hindi po nila nireview. So, nakapagtawa, ano ba? Anong picture nitong pinapakita ng Spin.ph? Edited, kabola? Kasi very clear, ang layo ng paa niya eh, kabola, diba? Tinutulungan nila Rain or Shine, kabola. So, of course, buti na lang nanalo TNT kasi kung panalo po ang Rain or Shine dun sa overtime, kabola, ay, you will really hear it from the TNT fans, and not only TNT fans, baka sa management po ng TNT, kabola, diba? Sobrang lala, nitong mistake na to, sobrang lala. And then of course, doon naman sa San Miguel at Ginebra series, Pajardo is really not 100%, pero panalo pa rin po ng kanyang team, which is of course, respect to them, diba? For winning that game, kabola. Pero of course, yan yung biggest question mark sa series na to. What if Fajardo is not healthy, kabola, di ba? If Fajardo is not healthy, tapos nanalo San Miguel Beermen, tapos TNT talaga yung mabante sa kabilang series, it will be a cakewalk, di ba? Kabola for TNT. Now, kabola, it's time to talk about Calvin Abueva, who's I've said, paulit-ulit niya pong sinasabi ngayon, na Ginebra talaga yung gusto yung laruan. Kung mga final team niya kabola, before mag-retire siguro, 37 na kasi siya. So, we suggested po a trade that for me is beneficial or the right trade kumbaga na in a way patas-patas lang. For me it will be Ahan Misi kabola and Ralph Koo kabola for Calvin Abueva. So ang lang naman nanonood po dito, they will get 2 quality players. Ahan Misi, even though it's not a point guard, can still play that from time to time, and Koo for me is very promising, a very tall shooting guard. Mahirap pong manap ng ganyan. On the other hand naman, of course, Abueva kabola will bring that Ginebra type of play kabola that they badly need. So for me, this is the perfect trade kabola. Okay ba sa yung trade nito? Kami lang po. So ba?